Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing Mutton Shami Kebab. This variant of kebab can be served as a finger food for any get-together. This delectable patty is prepared using ground meat, spices and Chana Dal. Please check the description section for the ingredients and kindly subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes. To start with, I'll take the minced meat in a pot. To that I'll be adding garlic, green chillies, one onion, salt as per taste, few coriander leaves, half a cup of water, put the lid on and cook till the meat is done. It may take around 20 minutes. Make sure all the water has evaporated and the meat is totally dry. Now coming to our Chana Dal, I have soaked a little amount of Chana Dal overnight and cooked till it is soft. I have ground the meat mixture. Let me take it in the mixing bowl. And I have powdered the Chana Dal separately. This goes into the meat mixture. Then I'll be adding Garam masala powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder. And to make the shamis moist, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 yolk of an egg. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly and start making the patties by greasing your palm with little amount of oil. Make sure there are no cracks. And once the patties are ready, I'll dip it in egg white. I made few patties ready. It is the time for it to go in the frying pan. Let me heat up little amount of oil and place the patties carefully in the frying pan and fry till it is golden brown on both the sides. I'll be serving these patties with a nice interesting mint dip, for which I have kept the ingredients ready. Let me start by putting up mint leaves in a blender jar, followed by adding coriander leaves, 1 garlic, 1 green chilli, salt as per taste, followed by yogurt, and I'll squeeze half a lime and blend all these ingredients till it is smooth. And the shamis and the dip is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos.